Hello everyone. In today's video, I will guide you step by step, starting from how to sign up for Binance, to how to trade futures, in a very easy and simple way. If you register using the link in the description below this video, you will receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and additional bonus rewards. Therefore, please be sure to use this link. First, I will show you how to sign up for Binance. When you click the link in the description below this video, you will be taken to the Binance sign-up screen. Here, you can see that a 20% discount on trading fees and various additional bonus rewards are offered. Please create your account using an email address or a mobile phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms below. Then click Continue. Please select the image that matches the word on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Please enter the verification code you received. Next, create a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter SKY222. By entering this code, you will receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and bonus rewards. So I highly recommend entering it before completing your registration. Once you've done this, your account creation is complete. Next, let's proceed with identity verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you must complete identity verification. Since this process includes facial verification, we'll continue on a mobile phone. Download the Binance app on your phone. Open the Binance app and log in using the account you just created. You'll be taken directly to the identity verification screen. First, please select your nationality. I'll select India. And proceed with identity verification. Please choose one of the following documents you have. I'll select passport verification. Select Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Now, position the passport's photo page within the camera frame, and take a photo. Make sure there is no glare or shadow. Next, let's proceed with facial verification. Carefully follow the instructions displayed on the screen, and complete each required step one by one. The identity verification process is now complete. After about 1 hour of review, you'll see the status change to verified. Next, let's set up Google authentication. Please return to the PC screen. Click Account in the left menu. Then click Security. We'll set up security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Please enter the code you received to proceed. A QR code pop-up will then appear. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, click the button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Now click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator into the app code field. Your two-factor authentication setup is now complete. Now, let's go through the steps for peer-to-peer trading on Binance. First, click the wallet icon in the top right corner. As you can see here, the spot wallet is used for spot trading and holding your main assets. And the futures wallet is dedicated to futures trading. First, click Spot. Then click Deposit in the top right corner. Then click Buy with USD Peer-to-Peer. Check the agreement box and click Start Trading. To buy crypto, select Buy. And then select USDT. Compared to BTC or USD, USDT generally offers the best rates. Here, select a currency you want to buy and enter the amount. Then choose the payment method. You'll then see a list of advertisers below. I recommend choosing advertisers with a large number of orders, as well as those with high ratings and a high completion rate. Click Buy USDT next to the advertiser you want to purchase from. Please carefully review the advertiser's terms before making a purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy. Then click Buy USDT. You'll see the advertiser's name, bank ID, and QR code. Before proceeding with the payment, carefully check the seller's chat messages. Please proceed with the deposit using your selected method. Then return to Binance. Click Transfer, notify seller. Upload at least one proof of payment to the seller. You can send up to 3 proof of payment documents. Check the agreement box below, and click Confirm. After a moment, tap the wallet icon in the top right corner, and select Spot. Then, you can check that your USDT has been deposited. Now, let's go through the steps for futures trading on Binance. To begin futures trading, you must first transfer your coins from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Click the spot wallet, then click Transfer at the top right. Transfer from fiat and spot to USDM futures. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. The coin will be successfully moved to your futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, click Futures in the top menu. Select USDM futures. You'll now see the futures trading screen. Click this button at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. On the right-hand menu, you can set up futures trading in detail. Click this button to select margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open positions. Isolated uses only a portion of your margin to open positions. For beginners, I recommend using the safer isolated mode. Click this button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Higher leverage can boost potential profits, however, it also raises the risk of liquidation. For beginners, I suggest trading safely with 3x to 5x leverage. Next, click this button to set the order type. A limit order allows you to place an order by setting your desired price. A market order executes immediately at the current best price. Below that, you can view your available margin. Here, you can set the trading price and quantity. Finally, select a position direction. If you expect the price to rise, choose Buy Long. If you expect the price to fall, choose Sell Short. Click the Positions button below, and you'll see your open position. Entry price shows the average price of your position. Mark price represents the current market reference price. If the price hits the liquidation price, the position will be automatically closed. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Click the pencil icon next to TPSL for your position to set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, to close your position, under the Market Close All button, select either Market or Limit to close it. You will see that the position is now closed. In today's video, I guided you step by step from signing up for Binance to trading futures in a very simple and easy way. If you encounter any questions or difficulties, please leave a comment, and I will respond as quickly as possible. Your subscriptions and likes greatly support the creation of videos. Thank you very much for watching today.